Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case 49 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also unlocks and notifications count, and we can check some further details using two different ways. So we can either tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard where we can check the screen time in particular days of the week, and under it we've got the list of used apps with the specific time you've spent on them. And the second one is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings or camera. I just tap on it and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We've got also ways to disconnect, which I highly recommend to check, especially the dashboard and focus mode. So in the dashboard you can basically set app limits. So if you are spending too much time on the specific app, so let's pretend it's camera for me, we can simply tap on this hourglass icon and then set a specific timer. So if you don't want to use the app at all during that day, simply use 0 hours and 0 minutes, and then your device will simply gray out this app and you will get the notification that you cannot really enter it. Obviously you can change the app timer anytime you want, but I highly recommend not to do that. If, for example, we will set it for 1 hour, it means that you can use this app for 1 hour during a day, as you can see, the app timer resets at midnight. Alright, so this is the first thing, and the second one is the focus mode, for example. So here you can select distracting apps, so let's pretend it's camera and Chrome for me. Then we can set the schedule, choose the specific start and the end time, and choose specific days of the week. And then after tapping on set, your device will basically hide the notifications from those apps, so you will be able to focus on different things, for example on work, on spending time with your family, or simply on resting. It's totally up to you how you want to use it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.